You eat lunch already, Daryl? Nope. All right. I'm just going to try to add add Tailwind to this Vapid site that I created yesterday. I've got it set up. Let's see here. Show this one here. So I just started the server here. It's already running in this browser right here. And yeah, I'm going to just try to replace the existing CSS with the Tailwind stuff. So I might need some help figuring this out. Let me just bring the Tailwind docs up. And I think I'm just going to start by just linking to this here. Although maybe I should try to actually install it through npm. I don't know what that would do. All this stuff seems too magical for me. Yeah. Gotta decide if I'm just gonna do it the old way. Oh. Microphone here. There we go. Okay. So, hey, how's it going, Simon? How's it going, Chris? How's it going, me Havanoia? Just give me a second here. I don't know if I would say I've learned DIY coders. I wouldn't say I've learned. I'm learning. My goal is basically to be a reasonably good junior developer. All right, so let me. Oh no! Now I gotta log in here too. Everything just went offline right when I needed it to do the right thing. Let's get this back going here. All right. Sorry if you just posted something in the chat. Gonna need to repost it. Yeah, as much as I'd like to delve into all this, it feels like that will take me forever. So I'm just going to grab this and just replace. This is going to break everything, I think. So yeah, let me do that. Yeah, I did just paste my password. I'm going to replace that now. It's one of the things of going live. There. Now it's changed, and There. My Twitch is Mega Justin. Oh, there's a new Tailwind. Let's check this out. Uh-oh. Hey, what happened to the quick start? Now I've got to do all of this crazy stuff. Oh my God. Before using the CDN, please note many of the features don't work. I mean, I could try to do all this crazy stuff. I just don't understand how all of this works. Laravel Mix, Gulp, Webpack. No, I'm just going to use this. I'm going to ignore all of the advice that Adam's giving me. All right. Didn't paste my password that time. Save that. And everything is now broken, which is to be expected. So now we're going to start fixing it up. So let's start with the main page. Keep that open. Oops, I don't want to do that. And basically, I'm going to delete all this stuff. And let's go back to the Tailwind stuff and probably add a container, I'm guessing, right? So let's just call this container MX Auto, which will kind of automatically figure stuff out. That's a little bit nicer, right? And actually, I should open up an old one. This is where I'm trying to figure out if I just want, for this site, if I just want to start replacing what we have on the WordPress site. I kind of like this darker background, to be honest. What color is this? This is, now for Tailwind, if you want your own background colors, oh, see, I don't have Tailwind config kind of set up, so maybe that's the disadvantage, is I can't. Can I still define this somewhere? What did I already build with this? Then I also built this with Tailwind. I think I'll copy some of this stuff just so I have some nice defaults. I have to do that over here, right? Oh, that's... There it is, closing those body tags again. Did it just do that now? Ah, God. How did I... How did I get over... How did I fix that last time? What was it? Nope. This is that same problem. I can't save this without it. Automatically adding this stuff. Man, that's frustrating. Is this chat still working, by the way? I gotta figure this out. Turn off saving autocomplete in Visual Studio Code. Prevent autocomplete. So how do I do that? HTML. How do I find my settings again? Is that extensions? Or just settings? See, I have it disabled. Got to turn this off now. Okay, here we go. Save without formatting. That's what I want. There we go. And where's my... This is what I want. All right. Just close this. Okay, so that should be saved. This should be saved. How much that changes the background of this, though? Something's not right. Tailwind is being loaded, but the background isn't loading. site headers there. Is Slack down right now? Nope. Slack's on for me. Oh, maybe it did die. Actually, I spoke too fast. Oh, is there new color names now? Maybe that's the problem. I was looking at the other. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, this changes everything. You're right, Owen. So now I gotta change that to 800 now? Like BG 800? Oh, for God's sakes, that's so annoying. Okay. Oh, like BG Gray 800. Yeah, how come it's not working? Yeah, I was used to it working the other way. Customization. Okay, let's go back to, there must be a thing for background colors. BG. Let's try this one. Oh, but I can't use that. If someone can help me figure that out, that would be great. Okay, finally. Here we go. American spelling of gray, I know. Yikes. All right, so that's that. And I must be doing something wrong with the typefaces too. It's unlike this. And let's go back here. Let's go to font families. Fonts. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So let's try just font sans for now. I already have that. And then we'll do text white. And actually, let's take a look at sizes. Thanks, Ellen. I guess we'll just do text large. Right. All right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. do they still have any components here? I just need to see some component examples, I think. Got navigation, grid, forms, cards. I think I need to see more like built with Tailwind stuff. Is this Adam's site? I don't think it is. How's it going? SIJ Design, good to see ya. Don't call me Adam, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so I just need some examples. This kind of looks like similar to what I want. Let's see if I can open this. Visit website. Although, okay, wait, Eldon's got some advice on this really annoying bug, so let's try to fix that. For the auto-closing tag, let's go Shift-P. Let's go, isn't this what we already did? HTML auto-closing tags. Settings JSON. Yeah, it's already false. It must be an extension I have. I don't know if I want to dig through every extension I've got going and figure out what's causing it. How can I see what I've actually got installed here? Okay, boilerplate, line server, live server preview, live share, open in browser. Maybe it's this prettier thing. Yeah, well, maybe, why don't I try disabling this and see what happens? Gotta reload it. All right, we'll see. Well, I guess I can save it and see what happens, right? Oh, that was it. That prettier one. Thanks, Eldon. That was the ticket. Okay, this is not super nice. Built with Tailwind. Just want examples of some really nice navs, but I can't really find anything. Let's see what's popular here. This is kind of cool. Let's visit this one. See how they did this. Okay, so they got a header class. Let's just do some copy pasta on this. Oh yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. Oh yeah, actually, this is perfect, Eldon. I should just use this one here. Oh yeah, this is way better. Okay. This is way better. Because once I can see it, I can fiddle around with it, right? Yeah, so Simon wants to know what this is. Yesterday, I installed Vapid CMS, which is a vapid.com is the site. Create a custom dashboard without even leaving the HTML. And so I built a pretty nice site on there. But the whole thing that's driving all of this is that the Transistor website's built on WordPress, and I just can't stand it. It's really slow. It's hard to customize. There's lots of cruft. So I'm trying to think about how I might rebuild this in Vapid. But of course, Adam Wathen's a friend of mine, and he's been doing all this Tailwind stuff. I know a lot of you folks actually like the utility-based approach to all this. I don't understand that at all. I just like these components. And so I want to kind of build all this using these components. So, and Luke, developer Luke, there's nothing really built right now. It doesn't matter to me that, I'm overwriting stuff. Cool. All right. So we just got this up here. This is exactly what I needed, Eldon. Thanks for that. 'Cause now I can focus on replacing this with the transistor SVG, and then we can actually make it look like I want. So let's see what it's doing here. Okay, so here's a SVG. I can replace that, and we'll call this transistor. Oh, I see what you're saying, Luke. I got it. Is that? Do they still have that same thing in the new one? Yeah, you're totally right. So I should copy this one. Okay. Good point. You're right. All right, so let's go back here. Gold stars for developer Luke. I can't respond to you directly in here. Give you 5 gold stars. Oh my God. Every single time. Okay, I'm not going to make that same mistake again. This new Restream chat is not great. Okay, sorry if you typed something in. I didn't see it. Is this gonna, maybe this is what makes this thing crash. Okay, so. Yeah, if Periscope's buggy for you, just go to youtube.com/JustinJackson/live. All right. Copy pasta, but copying the new pasta. And that's what it looks like there. So now let's go in and yeah, edit that. So we're going to call this transistor. Podcast and analytics. Actually, we'll just call it transistor for now. And I want this one to be sign up. Is that what we have right now? Let's go back up here. Sign up. Okay. All right. Hey, how's it going, Jim? All right, so let's look what this looks like. Transistor, then we got our sign up button here. Sweet. And I want this to go to dashboard.transistor.fm. Is this an SVG? What is this? No, this is just we must have a an SVG of the logo somewhere. Vectors. Is the idea that you can open these in a text file and see what they look like? Right there, right? I can just copy all this stuff. Man, theirs is really small compared to mine. Oh, that's weird. Is that just a piece of it? Let's try a different one. I think I just want the mark, probably reversed. Okay, let's try this. Oh yeah, this one looks simpler. Oh, I'll take that off in a second, Simon. Hold on. Where do I have that? Sorry about that. How do I make it fit? Seems like the right one, but view box width, what's this one? View box. You'll need everything. But I can't use, why can't I just, because this is saying it's 144 pixels high, 144 pixels wide, right? Why can't, No, that's not it. What's this? That's not it. That just fills it, right? Maybe because this needs to be... Nope. There we go. That's right, right? Cool. Sign up. So sign up's here. Login is here. Let's change that. Simon, I just keep trying things until they work. That's my whole thing. So if I was going to add another thing here, do you think this will work? Log in. My favorite part about doing this like this is that you folks are always noticing my typos. I was just getting good. Finally getting somewhere. Did I not save that? That's not right. I think this will give me some room, maybe. There we go. Need to make it a little bit smaller, though. We already have something here. There we go. That's a little bit better. These actually go where they're supposed to. Yes. And yes. Sweet. And I think the only things I'm going to add up here are... Where's the first one? I think we'll call this is like trying to get this to start ranking for these keywords. So I'm linking to it wherever I can. Example podcast. That'd be cool too, hey? I think I have that on shows. There, and then the blog is just right here. All right, see how that looks. I'll probably change this differently. I'll change this to something else, but it's good enough for right now. Okay. Now, what did they do next? got a header. Okay, before I get too far, I think I want to throw I think this is all an index right now, but this makes more sense for me to put this kind of everywhere. So I'm going to put this here. See if this works. Did I not save that? There we go. And so if I go to blog, that should work there too, I'm guessing. There we go. And then it should also work for the articles I've added. So we're actually getting somewhere here. Now we kind of need a main body section. I kind of want something like this. Where is this? This is just an H1. See, Chris, thanks for hanging out for a bit. All right. Okay, let's just go back to here. And let's just... So what do I got here? I got header. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I do want to just add stuff here, and I'll always use it as like a page title or something. Although, no, I think I want that. I want to be able to do that on any page. Okay. Okay, so save that. Let's go here. And what is going on here? I don't want this. It's weird that they don't have, they just start that. They don't have it in a different container. See how Laravel Spark does it. Starts a new class. What's the benefit of putting all of that in the... Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Let's just throw this in and see what happens. Just for fun. Okay. So let's delete some of that. Where's all their stuff? I want don't want any of this SVG stuff. This is all login, right? Yeah. We're going to delete that. Change that. What's my headline right now? It's pretty simple. So we're going to post all your podcasts there. And then let's throw this here and see what happens. Yeah, the chat's like way behind for sure. Start a free 14-day trial. Oh, no hover state? How do we do that? Let's go to buttons. This search is really sweet. So I can choose the hover, right? One thing I got to figure out is how I can add, can I add custom colors even if I'm using the default? Because I want to change this background color to this. But yeah, it's like this color here. But I don't know how to do that when I'm using yeah, but I'm just using his built-in one. I could just cheat and put it in line for now. And I think I want this one to be yellow. Let's go back here again. Let's use 500 here. Okay, background. Was that orange? 500? Nope. No, it was yellow, sorry. Is that even, that's probably not even close to what we have, hey? Is there anything that matches that? Maybe 400. Stupid, I'm just manually trying to get oh no, that's even worse. Yeah, I think you're right. It's too bad. All right, what color is this? Just disappeared. Where'd it go? Yeah, Alan, I'm just using, I haven't actually installed Tailwind, so I can't use any of that stuff. It just looked too fancy for me. What is this weird thing? All right. And then, yeah, just linking to the CDN version. Cheating. I wanted to cheat so I could get going faster. Do I gotta replace all of these? Or else do I have teal? Is there a way to replace all of these at once? How do I do that? Find in selection. How do I replace? Here we go. Replace with black. Oh, not just in selection, I want it everywhere. Oh, now. Hey, Saul. How come? Teal. There we go. How come none of that worked? Text black. Hover text white. Okay. Is this in a constant hover state or something? Button. Is it because I have it as 200? Text black. Hover text white. Yeah, I don't get what's going on there. Let's just replace this and see what happens. Just trying to change the color of these to black. Yep. Yeah, it's all current version. Text black. Okay, so what did I do that worked there? Hover. There we go. Okay. That took way too long to figure that out. Yeah, that's right. And hover. Yeah, it's looking better now. That just took a long time to to figure that out. I'm gonna make the border black. Sweet. Yeah, that looks way better now. Okay, let's add a hover state to that button, which is down here. Make it but I want the text, hover text to be black, right? There we go. Sweet. And I want that to, so this button's going to go here. And this one can go here for now. And we'll add the same effect here. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't work, Simon. All right, so then these folks have a fancy image here. Is this a background? I think I just want to have image. Is there anything, just class align bottom? Okay, what's going on here? We'll see. We'll see how proud he is. Okay. Oops. Let's see what this looks like. Sweet. We're actually getting something going there. I kind of like this part here. Let's copy this too. So add it right here. This is probably the old stuff, but let's go here. Let's remove the uppercase. It's not really our style. And trying to figure out some good stuff to put here. Oh yeah. And maybe we'll make it border white. And I think here I'm just going to put some of this stuff. Kind of want there to be a separation between these two things, though. Maybe I should go back to yellow here. And then go. Yeah, that looks not too bad, hey? Sweet. Now, one cool thing about Vapid is that I can somehow deploy this. I think I just go Vapid deploy. Let's see what happens. Vapid deploy. And I think I can get a web version of this and then test it out. It's available right here. You folks can visit it there. Man, every time it's when I post in URLs. Does this still work? Nope, I've got to reload. Sorry, hold on. There we go. See if you guys can visit that. And let's visit it here. Cool. And let's do the old page speed test. Speed insights. Just curious, you know. See how fast it is. Wow. 98, 99. It's a lot faster than my site right now. It's just all of that extra stuff. Yeah. Much faster than the WordPress site. It's interesting. What does the blog look like now? Oh, wait a second. I should just change those. Where is that? Just /blog should work. Yeah, this still needs quite a bit of work, but $25.74 on the WordPress site, and so much of it is all these style sheets, and these style sheets are from, you know, all the different plugins that we have to use to build this. jQuery. Don't really need all that stuff. I actually already like the way it looks on mobile better. This versus this. Sweet. Well, look what I'm going to do now is go here. So let me make sure that I got nothing on here that you guys can't see, but tell John that look what I built using Vapid. See what he thinks about that. Cool, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I'm going to keep plugging away at this, but I won't keep you anymore. Yeah, I do use tons of caching. I can show you that. I use WP Rocket, which I've heard is the best one. But every time I try to do like series caching, like so I've got all this enabled, but when I try to minify CSS and then combine CSS, everything breaks. I think it's because of this theme was built using the Beaver builder, and there's something going on there that's weird that doesn't allow me to minify it or combine any of those files. So, and to be honest, John just does not like WordPress. So something like this might be a little bit better for what we're trying to do. Cool. Talk to you guys later.